No one likes falling ill. In the times we are living right now, our biggest priority is to defend ourselves from bacteria, fungi and viruses. But for that, you must ensure your immune system is strong. Exercising, not smoking, and reducing alcohol intake are some things you can do to stay healthy in the long run. But in addition to this, your diet also plays a crucial role. Eating the right food is half the job done. However, you should know exactly what to eat to keep yourself healthy and your immune system strong. Today we bring you another natural and easy recipe to help you keep up your immune system. Before we get started with this recipe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy such content. Also, share it with a friend who would find this helpful. The immunity-boosting veggie soup is a great recipe for a cold weather. For the ingredients you will need: 1/2 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 large onion, thinly sliced, garlic cloves, evenly mashed, 1 tablespoon minced fresh ginger, 4 ounces shiitake mushrooms, stemmed and thinly sliced, 2 large carrots, thinly sliced, 2½ pieces astragalus root, 6 to 8 cups mushroom stock, 2 tablespoons tamari or low-sodium soy sauce, salt, 2 cups broccoli florets, 1/2 cup chopped scallions. Here's how to prepare this immunity-boosting veggie soup. In a large pot, heat the olive oil on medium heat. Add the onions, garlic and ginger. Sauté until soft and translucent. Add the shiitakes, carrots, astragalus root and mushroom stock. Bring to a low boil, reduce the heat and simmer for 45 minutes. Add the tamari and adjust the seasoning with salt if needed. Add the broccoli florets and cook until tender. It should take about 2 minutes. Remove the astragalus root pieces. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with scallions before serving. Astragalus root has powerful immune-enhancing properties. It is used to ward off colds and flu. Try out this healthy soup at your home. It is a natural way to boost your immunity. You can also check out our Immunity Booster Recipes playlist for more such recipes. Let us know in the comments below which soup you usually prepare when you're feeling under the weather. Subscribe to our channel for more such healthy recipes and remedies.